Everyone's making money with dropshipping, so what's holding you back? Want to build a successful online business without holding inventory like that? Dropshipping with Shopify and AI tools might be your best bet. Today, I'll break down a simple step-by-step process to get started with zero experience. Have you ever thought about starting a dropshipping business? What's the biggest challenge stopping you? Step 1. Find an AI tool. Pick a niche. First, use AI tools like ChatGPT or niche analyzers to identify profitable niches. These tools can provide insights into trending markets and customer needs. Find a niche that matches your interest and has high demand. If you were to start dropshipping, what niche would you choose and why? Reply in comment section. Step 2. Customize your Shopify store. Next, set up your Shopify store. Choose a clean theme, add your logo, and create a brand identity that resonates with your niche. AI tools can even help with generating taglines and designing your logo. Step 3. Set up a free Shopify account. Good news, Shopify offers a free trial. Sign up and start building without worrying about upfront costs. It's risk-free to test your ideas. Step 4. Find winning products. Use AI-driven tools like Oberlo or Dropship.io to find trending and winning products. Look for items with good reviews, competitive prices, and high demand in your niche. What kind of products do you think are trending right now? Share your guesses in the comments. Step 5. Optimize with manual tweaks. AI can do a lot, but don't forget manual adjustments. Optimize product descriptions, images, and pricing to appeal to your audience. These tweaks can significantly boost conversions. Step 6. Advertise your store. Now it's time to drive traffic. Use platforms like Facebook ads, Instagram, or TikTok to reach your target audience. AI can also assist in creating ad copy and targeting the right demographics. Step 7. Review sales profits. Finally, review your sales data. Analyze what's working and make improvements. AI tools can help you interpret data trends and suggest optimizations for higher profits. Ready to start your dropshipping journey? Follow these steps, leverage AI, and take action today. And what step from this guide are you most excited to try? Or if you've already started dropshipping, share your success story in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more strategies to build your online business.